I'm just going to show you here how to use this reading reflection and goals sheet. So when you click on it, it'll open this up for you on your own document. And these are all editable boxes. So basically, you would read the statement and think, am I able to read for the entire time without distraction? Yes, always, kind of sometimes, or no, never. And then depending on what you select, you can just mark your answer choices in this table. So you'll go through all of those and put your reflection or where you think you are, and then you'll look over at the categories and see which are the ones that I think I need to work the most on. If you have a lot of no or nevers in a particular category, like this one's engagement, then engagement might be a goal that you're going to work on. The same thing for print work or fluency. You'll see that the colors are all aligned to the specific statements. So once you've looked at those categories, then you're going to decide on what 3 reading areas you want to focus on, and you're going to create your reading goals.